Gunandia simthombo ngachika umthombo lala ngaphasi komuthi vukuthombile unachigwana aka Semhlelala. Welcome to my vlog, guys. Spend the day with me. Asikhambeni simnyanyeni wesokane lijaja eliyezitsho lona namhlanje bonyana lona lingibani libuye nabo baba cheje ngidinga meeting nabantu bakwamhlanga bazangichazela bonyana ngimithela ubhalelwa ukuzibambana ngizongoma lena. Thina sifike emberegweni kamama ngenza makeup msinyazana because I look crusty. After doing my makeup I realized ukuthi ngikhohle i-setting spray kwakuthi angizibethe phasi ngikhwele. Anyways la besikulanda ukhulwami so ngambawa-ke ukuthi ngiba ukuthi angiboleke i-setting spray sengizisete net kancane msinya nje. Asikhuluma iqiniso into ye-makeup kuhle kuhle mbereko mara anyways phambili we go yona sikufela ki. Thina cida ukulanda ukhulu sakhamba saya ekhaya umama had to change and I had to fetch the rest of ama-gift Ramzala. Guys, outfit check, outfit of the day. Maraning solani ngoba ijamo lona likhona. Cheje abasithena siceda ukwenza zonke izinto besiziyele ekhaya abasakhwela ipata because vele kwandebele sisela umnyanya. Nasiceda ukufaka abomama ngaphakathi sahlangana nomnyanya. I'm gonna take a few pictures with her. Amafoni wethu basele sebafile so kwakosa sikhambe-ke sokulanda i-power bank sale sithatha i-best friend kamntwana ekhaya lohleli ngaphambili singakabethwa sikhamba nalo mina ngazi keningitsheleni khona umuntu onganamathuku umuntu esihle nje somariso hayi. Ubuya kwethu emnyanyeni sathola abanomyezane sele sabavuma ngaphandle isokana lithabalele bahleke seyibekiweleke lapha phasi kuthi kudaba izokunathiswa sonsoni. Sithena siceda ukuthatha inthombe naye bafana njengoba athe uba ukuthi sithatha inthombe naye sakhamba sayibukela inothiso kaHari okungumamami bekakhuba umzala espacing sakagogo. I asked him to send me a wish list before Akamba and yeah, he told me that he wants a Galaxy Boy t-shirt and I got him one. Why not, guys? Manje sekushota ngokuthi ngimkhiphe but kinahana senten kinahana boma senten madrend you know abakho bathina baqeda ukumkhuba basukuma baskidela. Guys, it was fun bawenzile umnyanya hey Hayi shengiyambona uthulari ubonge kwalila abonobesa. Guys, overword. I'm a very emotional person and I wanted to cry but I had to keep my composure because ngikhumbulile ngadiamond nginodaka ebusweni guys yo i-makeup nangathoma ngilili banjani. I present to you isokana Elicha wena wendlovu Tulari. I had to go take pictures of myself because guys I remembered ukuthi angathathi inthombe the whole day. Ngiyantshela ampuri ngife vele bethuta. And I present to you the lady behind the pots ukudla kwakhe bekumnandi shema I don't wanna lie. Our cause besele sesikhulumela indaba kudaba sesiyakhamba I decided that let me take pictures with him one more time. So vele jili papa matata ka read vele. Sathi before sichinga ngedrobheni before sikhwela ipata ichinga ngedrobheni touchdown bafana bakithi kwagogo ukuthatha strength man nekuthatha amandla wokwenza imali even more ngasePitori cheche yong phela ngePitori siyela imali ayo nasadichile sathola ukuthi umani ubekile guys and we had to take a few muffins you know for the way and yeah man thank you for watching. Mwah.